everyone, you must be wondering where we are. So last year, if you have watched our video, every year in Korat we have this balloon festival, a kite festival. So we have come here. If you have watched our previous video, so these are the balloon. I mean, obviously you cannot fly on these, but especially the event is for the kites, right? Different kind of flights.
Kite festival today, tomorrow, and day after for 3 days.
So it's a similar kind which we do it in India during Sankranti. Yeah, if you are watching in India before Sankranti, would you also get?
So we have an octopus there, and there's the elephant. This is the regular one, and we have got a mouse in there.
Oh, is that a mouse? Yeah. Let's see, but the weather is not windy. It's
not windy at all, but nonetheless we'll buy a kite.
So they're fixing the kites over here. This is what we're gonna This is what we're gonna watch next, flying in the sky. You're watching here is all different kind of kites, and these kites are not made from paper. That means if the weather and then if the wind is very strong, right? Higher it goes, and here you have snake kites. Look how big it is. Get it? 250.
Yes.
That's like too big, no?
Yes.
So each kite's got different price. So Marina just checked the price for the Batman kites, and that's 250. And you have a panda, you have Pokemon. Forget Doraemon, Pokemon. What's that?
Doraemon.
No, Pokemon, sorry. We even don't know our... Yeah.
We are too old for that.
All I know is Sakiman. Oh, I wanted this one. Bay đâu cái còn cái bay đâu, trên cái tiền đồng đấy ní. Cái tiền còn skin đâu có sử dụng đó.
And it's a nice color.
Yeah.
Oh, I know what is this, like this.
Oh, the wind like that. The Jaffa logo. So I want. I remind me. We have Mickey Mouse. We have Batman. We have an army kite.
Commando.
Yeah, commando. We even have a jet shape of kites. So the smaller kites, what you see here, it's like 150 baht. So it depends on the size, you know. If you want a cheaper one, they have even the cheaper ones as well. There's no wind.
But run towards me. Thank you, Naka.
Let's go. Yeah, the balcony mega, it's like windy, right? So we already have a Thai flag now. This is the next one which we're gonna put on our balcony, and everyone's gonna think we love Thailand, and yes, we do. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, Thailand, for accepting us for 5 years and more to come. Pora say.
Oh, butterfly. Oh, that one is so pretty. What is it?
Butterfly back. That's dragon.
Oh, yeah, that looks pretty. I think we should take that one. Loy Hasip.
150 rupees mate.
Oh, I love that one.
Taking the watsala, and I want to buy that one. So the dragon kite is for 150 baht. Yeah. Oni. And Marina's dad, he said like when we come home he wants us to bring one for him as well last time. Yeah. You remember?
We will get him this one. The one with the one that looks like the aircraft. I think
yeah.
Like that.
And then this Mayfair, you have the skateboard. Last time if you have watched our video, I'm sure I have shown you guys. Run, no, there's no wind. So we have Spider-Man flying a kite, and because there is no wind, no luck. So the lady here, she's frying some kind of snack. maybe what they're using. Potatoes, onions, beans. We even fry the pumpkins. So what they do is like dip this in the batter and deep fry it. Alright, what you can see here is this is the everyday regular food court which we have here. So people enjoy the suki, the sabu, some beers. And this is where we ate before we started our kite festival. So everyone in the evening, they come here and then they enjoy the food with the family. So we have different kind of food. And if you want some ramen, we have a ramen shop here. Kick eraser.
I will have it here.
Typical Japanese. Itachi, Chinese racer. So it's not open yet. Grilled, what's that? Squid. And then if you want some fresh juice over here, this is what they have, smoothies. And then some kind of soup. Yeah, the fish thing. Fish ko stomach ko soup. This is what they have. Alright, so if you want to try some Middle Eastern food, we have some kebab. But the ones we get in India, kebab, is like different because this is like wrap. But aloy mak. So it's a pura food trucks or so in the evening. So whatever you want to eat. There is an Indian food stall as well.
Let's go.
So the one we were talking about. Let's go to India. Alright, this is Indian food truck. Sadikap.
Yes. One set, right? Yes, please.
And what else do you have? Butter chicken.
Chicken tikka masala, naan, basmati rice. We'll come for dinner again.
Yeah, we will eat here. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah. Next to you.
Okay. Have you been to India? No? Never been. You should. It's a beautiful country. So we have ordered samosa and pani puri. And he's paying it right now.
Alright, time for some pani puri.
This is not pani puri, this is pani puri.
But in India, the place where I come from, we call it puchka. So it's got very different name. Pani puri, then puchka, then north of India they call like pani batashe. And then water balls for,
But if you didn't know, in some of the parties, like wedding parties and stuff like that, instead of this drink, they'll use vodka.
Do they? Okay, I haven't tried that one. But yeah, so this is the deep fried, what do you call it? Puri, which we call it. And then we have
potato.
Potato, onion.
With onion, chili, and a little bit of masala. And this is a chickpea. And this is me. So this is what you do. You burst it open if you don't know how to eat. And then you take a scoop of this.
He looks like one unhappy mouse. So today being the first day of the event for the kites flying event, so tomorrow and day after. So like we said, it's going to be a 3-day event. So do watch us whenever we are posting this video. And then yes, we did enjoy the samosa, we did enjoy the pani puri. Look at the crowd, everyone is like waiting. So the October goes up, so goes the elephant. So this time around, last year I think they had more better ones,
I think tomorrow they will be.
Maybe. Depends on the wind. Last year it was like more windy. Right, so we finally decided we're gonna go for that one, the kites.
Let me get this, please.
So they put this kind of thread.
Okay. Okay, ค่ะ Okay ค่ะ Thank you นะคะ Run Okay Over you run Oh, why aren't you running? My turn.
Alright, so Marina is gonna try flying the kite. Let's see if she would be successful to do so. Look, look, look! So over here in the evening, the people will recite nearby, they bring in their own chair tables, and then they have a nice fun time with the family. And Marina with her kites. These are the special kites for tomorrow. I don't know if it's for sale or for the kites flying competition.
โอ้โหรอครับถ่ายรูปกับบอลลูนไว้ก่อนนะครับลูกนะฮะลูกที่หมดเลยก็เป็นแม่เมื่อกี้นะของแม่มานี่แม่เช็ดอะไรเช็ดนับเช็ดไปนะโอ้โหเขาเตอร์อ่ะเอาลูกต่อจากแล้วครับเราเดินทางมาพันกว่ากิโลเพื่อจะมอบ
So what you're looking at here is grilled salmon, which goes well with the chutney, achar.